What's up, entrepreneurs? A new episode from Nomad Entrepreneur. Today we are going to talk about real estate investment in Georgia, exactly in Tbilisi, Georgia, the capital of the beautiful country of Georgia. Hussam Afif is here. We are going to talk about several topics in this video. I'm going to tell you how to invest in real estate in Georgia, why to invest in real estate in Tbilisi, Georgia, and when to invest in real estate in Georgia. Make sure to watch this video to the end because I'm going to tell you a lot of helpful tips, a lot of helpful advice that will help you to invest in real estate in Georgia smartly. If you have a question, if you got any inquiries regarding real estate investment in Georgia, make sure to ask me in the comments. Comment below. I will be happy to help you and answer all of your questions. With no further to say, let's start. Hello again. It's important to mention that we are a Nomad Entrepreneur, can help you to get the most of your investment in Georgia. We will work for your own good. Whether you are willing to invest in real estate in Georgia or doing business, we can help you achieve your goals. If you want to know more about us, make sure to visit nomadentrepreneur.io, our website. Now, let's dive in our topic. Let's answer one of the most important questions. Why to invest in real estate in Georgia? Well, there are several reasons that you can take into consideration before investing in real estate in Georgia. The first reason that prices are very cheap. You can find apartments in Tbilisi with prices as low as $450 per square meter. This is pretty cheap and it's the cheapest in Europe. That apartment might be in one of the neighborhoods of Tbilisi, but if you are wondering about the downtown of Tbilisi, you can find very cheap prices as well comparing to other central locations in Europe. I'm here talking about $1,000 per square meter in the downtown of Tbilisi. This is pretty cheap. The second reason is high rental yields. I'm here, and to be honest, not exaggerating, from 5 to 8% rental yields. This is very good, and this is the rental yield. I'm not talking about the ROI, the return on your investment. You might buy an apartment with $80,000 or $70,000, and this money that you invested in this apartment will get, we are talking on average 7% a yearly return. So you have from 5 to 8 rental yields and you have 7% as a return on your total investment. The third reason, it's very easy process. For you as a foreigner, you can move, you have the ownership of the apartment in 4 or 5 hours. It doesn't take much than that. And for you as a foreigner, there is no special rules. When you have to pay some more taxation, you will have the same process and rules as the Georgian citizens. The fourth reason is it allows you to get a residence permit in Georgia. If your investment in real estate in Georgia $100,000 or more, you can apply for a residence permit. And to know more about residence permits in Georgia, I advise you to watch this episode from up there. It will be very helpful and it will add much more information regarding this topic. The reason number 5, Georgia is a growing destination for tourism. Year on year, tourists number increases in Georgia, which will allow you later to rent and to use your apartment or your property. I'm talking here about renting this apartment or property in Airbnb, daily renting, or in Booking.com or any other platform, which will increase your profit and investment significantly. The living cost in Georgia is very low. This will help you if you decided to move here or to immigrate here to live a very good life with a low prices, with a low cost. This is very important to some people who are willing to immigrate or to just move here and get a residence permit and start a new part of their lives. To know more about the cost of living in Georgia, you might have to watch this video up there. I talked about everything related to the cost of living in Georgia, so make sure to watch it. I think these are very good reasons to invest in real estate in Georgia. Now let's move to the important part, how to invest in real estate in Georgia. This part is very important. I'm going to give you very important advice and tips. There are several real estate platforms and websites in Georgia. I'm talking here about myhome.ge, which I made video about this website couple of years ago. You can watch it from up there as well, and myplace.ge, which is another website, and there are several other websites where you can find real estate or a property for rent or for sale. But you might have to take into consideration the next advice. Don't deal with these websites. The reason for this, that these websites recently become full of real estate agents. The problem with this, most of these agents are just scammers. And let me tell you how is the process. Well, you visit one of these websites, you found a very cheap real estate, you found a very cheap property that you want to buy. You call the agent and tell him, hey, my name is blah blah blah, I'm looking to buy this apartment. The answer will be like this: we are sorry, this apartment is sold, and if you are interested in similar options and similar apartments, we can help you to find this. This is a very typical answer you will find from real estate agents on these websites. You might wonder why is that they are publishing these listings while they are already sold. The reason for that they are collecting lead. When they found out that you are interested in real estate or in buying apartment or a property in Georgia, they will keep you as a customer. They will keep talking to you, sending you messages and asking you, come, we have this option, we have that option, and you can't trust these people. They might show you some apartments which they don't own. They might also convince you that you can trust them 100%, and when you pay them some deposit money, $5,000, $10,000, they will disappear. It happened to a lot of people. So this is the first advice. Don't deal with real estate listing websites in Georgia. The second advice, don't buy from small or medium real estate developers in Georgia. Why that? It seems a bit weird. No, just let me explain. Most of the small or medium real estate developers in Georgia just go bankrupt. I'm talking here about 70 to 80% of them. They just go bankrupt after just one project, two projects, they go bankrupt. They go bankrupt because they have some financial difficulties. So if you are going to buy from any of their projects, buying off the plan, that means you are risking your investment, your payment here. Some of them, before finishing the building, go bankrupt. So this is very important. If you are going to buy off the plan, you will find very cheap price, but also you will be risking. You will be going through risk. If you are going to buy off the plan, just make sure to buy from a big real estate developer in Georgia, or just try to find someone like us who can go into the financial of the company, into the financial of the developers, who can run a lot of analysis and check the financial of the developer. And in that case, you won't be risking anything. We will check the historical record of the project of this real estate developer. We will check their finance, and that will be in your best interest. The other reason that you don't have to deal with small and medium real estate developers, that they use very low quality building materials and the construction is very bad. And if you did deal with one of these real estate developer, maybe after 2 years, after 3 years, you will find a lot of problems in the building. You will find that some water leaking, some plumbing issues, extra. And there are another way to invest in real estate in Georgia, that you might decide to buy a second-hand property. If you decided to do so, it's very important to get help, to ask help from someone, or to get a lawyer, or to get help from us to make sure that all of the legal papers are correct. There are no debts on the building, on the property, so you need someone who can help you and check a lot of details related to this second-hand property, or even with the real estate developers. If you have any experience buying or renting or selling a real estate in Georgia, a property in Georgia, comment below and tell us about your experience. If you have any question regarding this topic or investing or doing business in Georgia, make sure to comment below. I will try to answer each single comment. Needless to say that the right time to invest in real estate in Georgia is right now. We have witnessed a 20% drop on the real estate prices. So buying a real estate, buying a property right now in Georgia is very profitable. And honestly, the prices of $450, $500 per square meter is going to disappear from Tbilisi in the next 2 years. So if you are going to invest now, it will be very profitable in the short and in the long term. And for sure, as I mentioned in the beginning of this episode, if you are willing to invest in real estate in Georgia, if you need a help from a team of professionals, just make sure to contact us. Visit our website, nomadentrepreneur.io. Click Become a Client. You will have to schedule a call with us. The call is not for free, costs $39, and we are charging this very low price for a consultation call because we are looking to help a lot of people. We are going to have a very long-term business relationship, and we are looking to help you to buy your own property in Georgia that will bring you high rental yields and a high return on your total investment in this beautiful country of Georgia. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell that when I release any new videos you get notified. Make sure to watch this very important video right here. This video is a masterclass. It's more than 90 minutes of me giving very important, very helpful information about investing in Georgia and how to invest smartly in this beautiful country. Finally, see you in a next video next week.